Enabling multi-factor authentication MFA on Okta Workforce enhances security by requiring additional verification steps for user access. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into Okta Admin Dashboard. Access your Okta Admin Dashboard by entering your administrator credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to configure security settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use the SRAP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Configure MFA policies. In the security section, select multi-factor to access MFA policies. Here, you can create or edit existing policies to define how MFA will be enforced for your users. Step 4. Select MFA factors. Choose the authentication factors you want to enable, such as SMS, email, or authenticator apps. Ensure you configure each factor according to your organization's security requirements. Step 5. Assign MFA to user groups. After configuring the factors, assign the MFA policy to specific user groups. This will determine which users must complete the MFA process when logging in. By following these steps, you can successfully enable MFA on Okta Workforce, significantly improving your organization's security posture.